My name is Colleen Savage. I live in Crossmaglen, which is situated in County Armagh. I began learning Irish as an adult because I have three sons that attend Gaelscoil Fodric Nifa in Crossmaglen, and I wanted to help them to learn. I attend classes in Culturlan Inakwaha and online with Common Vicracton. I go to the Gaeltacht in Donegal. It's a really beautiful place there, and there are beautiful beaches, and I really love to go swimming in the sea when I'm there. I learned how to speak the Irish language in class, dancing at the ceilidhs each night and singing traditional songs as well. The best aspect about learning Irish as an adult is I understand and appreciate the beauty of the language. For example, the word moth as Gaeilge is Féileacán Oíche, or night butterfly. The word I really love in Irish is suaimhneas, meaning peace or tranquility. I think it is important to learn Irish because, in my opinion, the Irish language is important for my family, my heritage, my culture, and the oral song tradition. It connects me to my ancestors. I currently work as a traditional singer with oral events and as a chartered town planner with my other business, Oral Planning, in South Armagh. Regarding Irish, my ambition is to be able to sing a couple of songs in Irish from my area. For example, Seamus McMurphy or Urquhart Cregan or Modgy Nor. It's a pity that I didn't learn Irish properly before now. My favourite Irish language proverb is fear Gaeilge briste na bearla cliste. So broken Irish is better than clever English. Thanks.